As we've mentioned previously, swellable water stops are the most popular water stops for a very good reason. They do a great job and are very easy to use and install. But before you go and install your water stop swelling profiles, it may pay to check that it suits your joint and that you're installing it correctly. G'day, my name is Rob and welcome back to Concrete Compass. On this episode, we'll be looking at two of the most important considerations when selecting swellable water stops. Firstly, swellable water stops are only designed to be used in construction joints, not expansion joints. They need to be fully encased in concrete to provide an effective seal. If you're trying to waterproof an expansion joint, you'll need to use a water stop designed for an expansion joint, such as a cast-in water stop. Secondly, and perhaps more importantly, swellable water stops need to be installed with the correct concrete cover. Many concreters should be familiar with the term concrete cover. Normally, it's the distance between the outside of the concrete and the reinforcing. In the case of swellable water stops, it's the distance between the outside face of the concrete and the water stop. Some swellable water stops have the ability to withstand head pressures up to 100 meters. That's right, this little 20 mil by 10 mil profile has the ability to hold back 100 meters of water. As you can imagine, stopping that amount of water creates enormous pressure on the surrounding concrete. If the concrete cover is too low, this pressure can cause the surrounding concrete to fracture or even worse, fail completely. Most swellable water stops require a minimum cover of about 50 to 75 mil. As we mentioned in an earlier video, if you're restricted by reinforcing or available cover, you may want to consider using CUNISEAL C31DS, as it has the lowest requirement for concrete cover at just 30 mil. LeakMaster is another option for applications with low coverage, but be aware this will also reduce hydrostatic pressure resistance of the water stop. If you have any questions about installing swellable water stops or need advice on selecting the right product for your project, reach out to one of our experts at Allcon. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to stay updated with our latest episodes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.